back with the right key. I forgot I need a trunk button. We're going to go to control unit, keyless system, remote control learning, key learning, pull out the blade from the smart key. Ah, interesting. Huh. You got to take the metal key out, the emergency key out of the key, put it in backwards. I've never done this key before. Put it in backwards and then turn it on like you're, like it's a trans key. I now need to, no I don't want to stay. Turn on the ignition, we got that done. Alright, communicate a little bit faster, it's getting hot in here. What are we doing, man? I had to pop the little knobby cover off to get that done, but that's what we're looking like here. It kind of looks like a flip key now. Still communicating. Cool, cool, cool. I have a feeling this is not working because this is taking a pretty good bit here. Wow, learning succeeded. Do I want to learn the next one? No, I do not, because we are done now. Alright, press the remote once, press it again after 1 to 2 seconds. Let's try this. There's the wheels back. We just got the metal key in there now. We're just doing the remote, and there is that. And we're good to go. So that's how you do that. We learned that one together. I'd never done this car. All right, got another one at Carvana. We have a 2015 Mitsubishi. Spit it out. Mitsubishi Lancer Evo. It's very fast. We're adding a prox key. It's a prox twist. I did a automatic selection. We're gonna go smart key. Get the door moving, get rid of the glare. We're gonna close the door, not on our cable. I'm guessing semi-smart. Don't get a lot of Mitsubishis, and honestly, I don't remember ever having used this key before. And that's because it's the wrong key. I don't have trunk. I will be right back.